My name is Alfonso Johnson, and as you can see, it's the Food Factory by Chef Boosie, and it's all around foods. Every food you can name, we're gonna have. Anything you could possibly dream of, we're gonna serve it. My sister was very ill and she was on her deathbed, and it was something she wanted for me. She signed me up for school, and I went to school, Culinary Arts, and I just fell in love with it. From there, I just been doing it. Part of her dream too.
Tony,
great experience.
the best.
Yes, great experience. Wonderful,
Tony,
wonderful,
wonderful.
wonderful.
Anytime you come in, Tony, you can send her an email. She sends it back right away. You can ask her 50 questions. I know behind her breath she'll be like, again. But guess what? She answers always on time and always prompt.
That's it. Just come out and support.